Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making potato, cheese, and ham muffins. This is such a wonderful recipe, but do yourself a favor, make sure you use cupcake liners because I didn't, and it was kind of difficult to get them out, especially on the bottom. Oh, that's a cat? Yeah. Okay. This is really easy. It's delicious if you have leftover ham, or if you don't want to use ham, use whatever you want. It's just like a perfect little treat. So let's get started.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.